Have you ever been confused about how to make words plural in English? Don't worry, today I'll make it super simple for you. One song, two songs. Easy, right? But how about child? One child, two childs? Nope, let's fix that together. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English to Sesud, which means English in three vessels. My name is Puya Fezagay and here I break down English grammar into clear and simple steps. If you want grammar lessons that are short, easy and complete, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay with me. Regular and irregular polar nouns. In English, nouns are either countable, meaning we can count them, or uncountable, meaning we cannot count them. Today we will focus on countable nouns. Countable nouns have two forms, singular, one, and plural, many. Regular polar nouns. The majority of nouns form their plural form in a predictable way. Here are the guidelines. Rule number 1. Adding s. For numerous noun, you simply add an s to the end of the singular verb and it becomes plural. For example, song becomes songs, book become books. Rule number 2. Adding es. If a noun ends in the sh, ch, s, x, or z, we can add es to make it plural. For example, box become boxes, church become churches, bus buses, watch watches, glass glasses, fox foxes, dish dishes, quiz quizzes, brush brushes, match matches. Rule number 3. Changing y to ies. If a noun ends in y and there is a consonant like b, c, d, or etc. before the y, change the y to I and add es. For example, baby, which ends in y, change the y into I and add es. So baby becomes babies. City becomes cities. Lady, ladies. Country, countries. Party, parties. Story, stories. Army, armies. Berry, berries. Pony, ponies. Puppy, puppies. Rule number 4. Nouns ending in O. First of all, if a word ends in O and has a vowel before it, just add S. Vowel are A, E, I, O, U. For example, radio become radios, video become videos, studio become studios, stereo become stereos, zoo, zoos, tattoo, tattoos, bamboo, bamboos, portfolio, portfolios, rodeo, rodeos, kangaroo, kangaroos. These are regular, so just add s. Second, if a word ends in o and has a consonant before it, you usually add es. For example, potato become potatoes, tomato become tomatoes, hero become heroes, echo, echoes, veto, vetoes, torpedo, torpedoes, embargo, embargoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, domino, dominoes, cargo, cargos. Consonant plus o becomes es. We also have some exceptions. Some words don't follow this rule, even if they end in consonant plus o. These words take only s, even though you had expect es. For example, photo become photos, piano, pianos, memo, memos, halo, halos, solo, solos, cello, cellos, logo, logos, disco, discos, avocado, avocados. Many of these came from foreign languages, for example, Italian, Spanish, Greek, which is why they break the rule. Word with two correct plurals, s or es, are both accepted. Some words are flexible. Both forms are grammatically correct, though one might be common. For example, volcano become volcanoes, volcanoes. Note that there is no any difference in pronunciation. Tornado become tornadoes, mosquito become mosquitoes, motto become mottos, buffalo buffaloes, cargo cargos, banjo banjos, zero zeros, halo halos, commando commandos. In formal writing, one version might be preferred. For example, volcanoes with es is more common in science writing. Rule number 5. Nouns ending in f or fe. Usually change f or fe to ves. Use this when it is from living things, natural items, body parts, or words from Old English. For example, wolf become wolves, knife knives, leaf leaves, life lives, wife wives, thief thieves, calf calves, half halves, loaf loaves, self selves, shelf shelf. But some words that are abstract concepts, titles, modern words, or non-living objects only take s. For example, belief become beliefs, cause it is an idea. Cliff become cliffs, cause it is an object. Roof become roofs, because it is a structure. Chief become chiefs, it's a person title. Proof become proofs, it's an concept. Safe becomes safes, it's an object. And note that most nouns ending in f or fe change to ves, but many common ones just add s. There is no any perfect rule. So memorize the common ves words, and if it is not on that list, just add s to be safe. Rule number 6. Word that stay the same. Some nouns don't change at all when they become plural. Deer and fish are examples. One deer, many deer, one fish, many fish. Important notes about fish. Use fish when you are talking about multiple fish of the same type. Use fishes when you are talking about different kinds of fish. For example, I caught 3 fish today. Here we have same kind. The aquarium has fishes from around the world, different kinds of fish. Offspring, sheep, a species, aircraft. Rule number 7. From other languages, some words keep the plural form from Latin or Greek. For example, criterion become criteria, phenomenon become phenomena, datum become data, bacterium bacteria, medium media, appendix appendices, thesis theses, curriculum curricula, ox oxen, stimuli stimulus. In daily English, people often use the plural form more. For example, we likely use data more than datum. Rule number 8. Special words. Some nouns have 2 plural forms, one from Latin and one from English. Both are correct. For example, cactus can become cacti or even cactuses. Focus can become foci or even focuses. Syllabus, syllabuses, or syllabi. Alright, irregular plural nouns. These nouns do not follow the rules, so you must remember them. For example, child become children, person become people. Persons is also right, but we not use it in daily English. Man, men, woman, woman, tooth, thief, food, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese, louse, lice, fungus, fungi, nucleus, nuclei. Okay, as a quick recap, we can add s for most nouns and add es for nouns ending in sh, ch, s, x, or z. Change y to ies if before y is a consonant. Nouns ending in the o usually add es, but some add only s. If you can add either s or es. Some nouns are irregular, like child when become children, and person when it become people. Some words don't change at all, like deer, fish, Some keep Latin, Greek forms like criterion, criteria, cactus, cacti. Okay, dear precious souls, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. To help me create more lessons in the future, you can contribute through this link, buymeacoffee.com/English to Your support makes it possible for me to keep creating free lessons for you all. Have a nice day and good luck.